Sorry, I didn't know well. I didn't know you're on already. Yeah, the purpose of this live stream is I don't want to do it as a separate video, of course. I just want to do it as it is hot. Talking about, I just finished live stream. I think it's about, is it about 30 minutes ago now? So you can go back and check the video. It's there. See, you can go and check the video. The live stream I just made. During that live stream, I talked about the trade. I showed the trade that I was currently on when I was still on, apart from others that I've already concluded. That's still on. So I want to show you that trade has hit TP already, of course, as expected. And the way it hit TP and turn back, I just want to show you. So you can go back to the live stream to confirm it. I mean, a previous live stream to confirm it. Let's dive into the charts right now so that I can show you that. It's going to be off video. I like putting out my video when I'm working on the chart. So sorry about that in case you don't like it. All right. So we are here. And this is a trade. All right. You see, eventually, this is 120 pip actually hit. And you see it turned immediately. Look at the trade. Look at the trade. All right. So, and what? The ratio is 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio. Oh boy, did you see that? 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio. That's worry. Well, I didn't even talk about it last time. I mean the reward ratio. I showed the trade. The trade was you see, so yeah, completely hit TP. Remember, I say I don't talk about money. I talk about pips. The pip. I did. So remember that this trade is actually offshoot of a bigger trade. A bigger trade. Okay, let's go to that trade I talked about. The analysis we made yesterday night by 9 p.m. and we use it. That's what we'll be using to take trade. I've taken several trades. Let me show you this, the main trade, and before I show you those other trade that I've taken. I think I tried to explain it in that live stream too. All right, so just want to show you something. The live stream. Okay. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. This is 1 minute time frame, so I'm not able to see it properly. This 15 minutes time frame. And where are you? Gone so far. All right. So still that trade has not hit TP. It's still doing lower high from the highest point that he moved. He moved about 600, over 600 pip, of course. Then before he began to come down. And I told you that I have to exit the trader around here. I exited it because when I was on live stream, I saw that the trade is not able to go take out this high. Rather, I started coming down. So I have to exit because being on live stream, and it was around I exited around was it at 480 pip now, 480 pips. So this analysis was as a result of the analysis we made on live stream that yesterday night, yesterday 23rd, 22nd of December, around 9 p.m. We had an analysis, analyze what we should see before we take the trade. And immediately it happened, I took this trade and it ran till this morning until when I exited the last time I was doing live stream for the fear of I saw that it's turning for the fear of not being on live stream and the thing will just go on and just reverse completely. All right. So, but there's another thing that happened after that. Before I came on that live stream, I had to go and I took another trade after seeing opportunity. Let's go to that very one. There's another place. Okay. I think it's here. So this is all right. Took another trade. Let's zoom in. Took another trade after that, and this is that trade I was on live stream in 1 minute time frame while this trade was running, and I tried to explain the trade itself. All right. As at that time, I think the trade when I was on live stream, the trade was coming around down here or somewhere around here. That was just basically 30 minutes ago. So you still remember, for those that watched it, or when you go and watch my live stream, you'll see it on YouTube. You see it. All right. So we discovered that at that time, it was like maybe 30 pip or thereabout was even coming down from 30 pip when we were on live stream. And the reason why I took it is because I wanted to exit that trade. I didn't exit it at even 500 and above or 600. It was around 480 pip. That's the bigger trade I exited it. So I wanted to get that pip that I lost back. So I had to come down to this point where to basically come down to this point. So to come down to this point, this is the reason why I took the trade, this particular trade. So, I exited the market while this thing was turning down as if it's want to swallow my 400. I mean, I was already swallowing about 600, over 600 people that have already accumulated in that mega trade. So I had to exit it. So when I exited it, I came to this place. When I saw this in 1 minute time frame, what is happening here? See, this is what I call the turning pattern that I usually talk about. You see this slow, it goes as you want to go up, it did not go, it came back again, it did this slow, and then did a lower low again. But immediately after the lower low, there is a higher low. The very first candle here is where I judge, because it's like the pattern that you already understand is repeating. That's why if you see, I took this trade on this very small candle, despite I had a very big bearish candle here. I still took a buy from after this candle closed, because it's repeating a pattern. Remember, it's not just because of this entry here, but the pattern is repeating here that I already understand. So do this low and this low and this low, not getting up to this place. Of course, stand the risk of a low taking it out, but trading is a risk now. I didn't be so. So I took the trade there. See that this candle almost took me out, but did not. This candle, this red candle, see the wick almost took it out, but did not succeed in doing so. And so the thing went up to get 120 pip that I entered. Did you see that? So I just try to you see, when you learn how to trade, you discipline yourself to, because it took me 5 years to learn. I've been learning from, I think, 2021 or thereabouts, and I refused to trade. Of course, I traded the first time somebody introduced me to forex, and then the money was gone. Then I decided that I was going to come and learn properly like that, and it's taking me 5 years to learn. Now I'm just about to start trading. As you can see, I'm just starting. As you can see. All right. So I just said, let me show you this trade. And you see, all the trade based on yesterday analysis that I've taken so far is, see this one, these two trades. I took a buy and a sell. Buys and sells like this. You see this trade, this first trade, this is the sell. And you can see what happened. 140 pip. I was able to get out. And you can notice what happened. Sometimes it will just hit my take profit. It will not be too long before the market turns. Because you can see it even here too. This second trade, see about 140 pip. It hit my take profit, and it's not long the market turns. I need to go down. Now, I took this trade before I came to the last live stream, and it's not long after I hit the take profit, you see it, and it begin to turn, and it turned again to the opposite direction. That, I think, is really impressing me and giving me more confidence, actually. That's just the truth. Giving more confidence to take on these trades then. Anyhow, so 480 plus 120, that is 600. I think 600 pip from that. Although 610 pip that the trade moved to, that mega trade before it came down. Start coming down, I left at 480 pip. So, but I have at least gotten up to 600 pip for that trade. Then this extras, 140, that's 280. Is that not too much for a day? For just for one day? It is. Like say I get better money, use the trade there. This one I die now, or just go buy one Benz now. Have you noticed so? All right. It's where we'll get there. Anyway, so you can feel free to join me every time for live analysis and possible trade. You see how I trade, you understand how I do my analysis. Of course, this evening we'll be coming back maybe by 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. for another live analysis to see how tomorrow is going to look like. That's tomorrow's outlook. So endeavor to join me on this live trading session, analysis session. by just ensuring that you subscribe to this channel and then turn on notification button on, turn it on so that whenever I schedule live streaming, you will know and get prepared to join me. And also when I drop trading videos that deals with strategies, then you too will be able to join me on, you're able to see it and understand how to break down, starting from using your top-down analysis and knowing what to expect and the point where you should be expecting something while trading. That's the only thing that matters, and that is very simple, even after doing the hard work to master them. Yeah, so see you some other time in another video, or rather tonight in another video. Also expect the videos I will be dropping, posting that will regard strategies. So see you next time. Bye for now. Don't come out. Let me see. Okay, no, I never come out.